This is how I make Pansit bihon Guisado. Delicious. Guys, for today, I'm gonna cook Pansit bihon Guisado in noodles stir fry. This is my all ingredients: carrots, snow peas, yellow bell pepper, of course our garlic and onion, pork, the kikiam, squid balls mix, rice noodles, and of course bok choy, or you can use cabbage. Add garlic, saute until light golden brown. Like golden brown, we add our pork. Add soy sauce, like dark soy sauce, ground black pepper, flavored salt, add stock or plain water. Cover again, let it boil. Add the carrots, snow peas, and bell pepper. Set aside. It's okay if there's something left there. Add the rice noodles or the bihon. Noodles or the bihon. Put it back to vegetables and meat. Next, add the bok choy or cabbage. Bihon Guisado. Bihon Guisado. There you go. Bihon Guisado or Filipino Noodles stir fry. This is how I make Pansit bihon Guisado. So let's have a bite. Sarap. Delicious. You want this recipe? Check it out. From the description below, I write it down ingredients.